Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh and today I'll be teaching you how to make Paneer Tikka Masala, which is a North Indian delicacy. Most of the Indians eat vegetarian food on a daily basis, and paneer is a very good substitute to meat. It is very simple to make at home and just requires two ingredients. So I'll be teaching you how to make paneer as well as Paneer Tikka Masala.
So now we are going to make cottage cheese, or also called as paneer. So you can make this at home. It's really easy. You just basically need two ingredients. One is your milk and second is lime. You can use either lime, citric acid, or even lemons depending on how you want to do it. So first what you're going to do is just pour the milk into a container and then get it to boil. You can see the milk is now boiling. Next we need to curdle the milk. To do that, like I mentioned before, we have to use lime juice. Now I typically use about 3 to 4 limes before it's completely curdled. As you can see, the milk is completely curdled and all the milk fats have come up. This is when you want to stop. Now to tie the cheesecloth and place it in ice for some time to stop the cooking process.
After about 5 to 10 minutes, you can remove the paneer from the cheesecloth and place it in the container. You can keep this container either in the fridge or freezer to cool for some time before you cut it into small cubes.
Heat up 4 tablespoons of oil. To that, add 2 tablespoons of cumin. Add some sliced green chilies. To that, add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix well. Once the onions are completely cooked, we are going to add in about 1.5 full-size chopped tomatoes. And after that, 1 cup of cashew nuts. We're going to add about 3 tablespoons of ground cumin and coriander powder. About half a teaspoon of turmeric. Two teaspoons of red chili powder. About 3 tablespoons of tandoori chicken masala. Now this is an optional. It's fine even if you don't use this. And then about 2 tablespoons of garam masala. Half a tablespoon of chaat masala. Then we're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. Mix it. Then cover the lid and allow it to cook. The tomatoes should take about 5 to 10 minutes to cook. We'll now transfer the contents into a blender and then blend it until it's a smooth puree. In a pan, heat again 4 tablespoons of oil and then add puree mixture back in. Once the mixture is boiling, then we add our paneer to it. And slowly mix the paneer into the gravy. And then we leave the lid on for about 5 to 7 minutes for the paneer to cook. Garnishing of chopped cilantro. Your paneer tikka masala is ready to be served hot. It is best enjoyed with naan or white rice.